Yep, Dad bundled some. Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw it onto the trailer.
I know.
One by one.
I was wondering if you wanted me to wrap one more.
Yeah, you can wrap it. Alright guys, so on today's video, Ashton and I, we are down here at the wood yard. We are going to actually get some firewood bundled up. Ashton's low again. Beautiful afternoon, I should say. I was already down here before Ashton, so went back home and grabbed lunch and picked them up to get some firewood bundles wrapped up. We sell these for $6 a piece or $6 a bundle. It's a pretty good bundle, and it's all hardwood. We split it down twice. We split it down with the big log splitter, the brute force, and then we used the little country line?
Something like a
County line or whatever, single one, to split it down into smaller pieces right here. And then that gets used for the campfire wood. So I'm gonna back up my trailer. We're gonna load this up, put it on the trailer. Then we're gonna go to our embroidery shop. So this is his, what is it going to be? 1 full year?
About to be, yeah.
1 full year in business.
I think we started November or something.
Yeah. So we've been doing pretty good. Made a few $1,000. So. All right, guys, I went to the gas station and got me some more fuel right there, because I just feel like it does go through a lot of fuel on this this county line one, you know. So I'm gonna fill this up. Using my Shuriken, just press that and it drains right in. There we go. Good. Oh man, it is cold out here. Alright, let's put this over here. Alright guys, so that took about 45 minutes to fill that up with that county line. So I think we can get like 36 or 40 bundles out of this, so that's not bad. That's about 250 to 216 to 250 worth, you guys, firewood right there if we were to bundle it up. That's not bad. That's not bad. Now, if we were to fill that up, stack it neatly, it would only be $125 for a face cord. So that'd be a face cord if we stacked it up neatly and stuff. But yeah, we get more out of the bundles, you guys. That's why we like doing the bundles. How's it going? Good. Keep stacking. Stacking. Yeah, you might. If you guys want to see the firewood bundle in action, like what Ashton's doing right now, that machine, if you want to see that machine in action, put a link right up here. Okay, go check that out. It's quite the machine. Instead of wrapping it manually, that's automatic wrapper. I think it cost us 1,800 bucks for that thing though. So yeah, go check it out.